Once upon a time, there was a poor flower seller. He lived with his son. One day, the flower seller fell ill. Now, it was Christmas time. The son wanted to celebrate Christmas with his father. However, his father was very ill and there was no money at home. Thus, the son went to his garden and plucked some flowers. Then he went to the market and cried out loudly, "Come and buy my wonderful flowers." The boy kept shouting, but sadly, no one came to buy the flowers. Suddenly, a lady stopped by him. She saw his flowers and bought all of them. Then she said, "You are a good son. I am December, the Queen of God Cheer. I bless you that you will grow up to be a kind and happy man." Then she went away. The happy son ran home to celebrate Christmas with his father. The car. Patrick got a car as a Christmas present. On Christmas Eve, he saw a street urchin admiring his car. Patrick said, "My brother gifted it." The boy said, "I wish that I could be a brother like that." Patrick was surprised to hear this. Then he offered, "Would you like to take a ride?" "Oh, yes," the boy said. "Sir, would you mind driving in front of my house?" Patrick thought that he wanted to show off to his neighbors, but he was wrong again. "Will you stop where those 2 steps are?" the boy asked. He ran up the steps and came back carrying his little brother, who was physically challenged. He said, "This is my little brother. Someday, I'm going to give you one just like it." Patrick lifted the little brother to the front seat of his car. His big brother climbed in beside him, and the 3 of them were off for a great ride. The geese in the storm. Once, a man did not believe in God. His wife, however, was a believer. On a snowy Christmas Eve, the wife was going to the church, but the man refused. A while later, there was a snowstorm. The man heard a loud thump. He went out to inspect. He saw a flock of wild geese caught in the snowstorm. They were lost. The man wanted to help them. So, he opened the barn doors and waited for them to enter. But the geese did not come. He thought, "If only I were a goose, then I could save them." Then he had an idea. He got his own goose and released it. His goose flew through the flock and went straight into the barn. The other geese followed it to safety. The man realized, this is what God does. We are like the geese who are lost, but He shows us the way. Colored lights at Christmas. A little angel who couldn't see, hear, or talk very well approached God. She said, "I have been trying to know where my parents live." There are beautiful flowers in their garden. I'd like to go down for a closer look. God knew that it was winter, so he said, "There are no flowers." The girl, due to bad hearing, heard, "There's no flowers." She said, "They are beautiful." When God looked down, he realized that what looked like flowers was actually the light coming through the stained glass window of the church next to her parents' house. He told her that she could go no farther than the top of trees. He told his followers to make colored lights shine in the snow from then on. This is why colored lights are put at Christmas. Angels come to the top of trees to look at them and be close to their families.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.